Hi, welcome to our video project. My name is Maisara.
My name is Shafina Elisa.
And my name is Norma Safiha.
The Cessna 172 flight deck featured a traditional analog design, dominated by round dials and mechanical gauge. It prioritized simplicity and reliability. Key instruments are grouped into the six-pad layout, like airspeed indicator, altitude indicator, altimeter, turn coordinator, heading indicator, and vertical speed indicator. Unlike modern glass cockpits, pilots are interrupt raw data manually, a skill still vital for understanding automated system by today.
At the heart of this cockpit is the six-pad layout, which is primarily flight instrument group for easy visibility. These include airspeed indicator, altitude indicator, altimeter, vertical speed indicator, turn coordinator, and heading indicator. While modern cockpit use a digital display, the Cessna 172N use analog system for teach core flying skill for the pilot.
This Cessna is old version of Cessna, so they use engine monitoring is manual, like RPM or pressure. This Cessna also don't have any digital alert like EMS system. For this Cessna communication, it rely on VFF radio with manual frequency tuning. Unlike modern aircraft, it using modern radio with Bluetooth and text feature. For navigation of this Cessna, it uses VOR and ADF instead of GPS.
In front of the pilot, we have a six-pad configuration, which is six main flight instruments for the aircraft arranged into row, which is airspeed indicator, show how fast the aircraft moves through the air, measure in knot. Altitude indicator, display the aircraft pitch and bank using an artificial horizon powered by a gyroscope. Altimeter, use static pressure to show altitude above mean sea level. Turn coordinator, to indicate rate of turn and help with coordination using an electric gyro. Heading indicator, a directional gyro used for accurate heading information. And vertical speed indicator, display the rate of climb of descent in feet per minute.
In this order, Cessna 172, they use a VHF radio to communication with aircraft control traffic. So let's move to it. VFS radio located at the middle of the instrument. D is communication 1 and D is communication 2. The pilot will use the communication 1 and 2 to switch between different frequency. Okay, D is navigation 1 and navigation 2. Radio ni navigation 1 and radio 2 that connect to VOR to station on the ground. D is OBS. OBS ni allow pilot to set a radio to or from a VOR station.
Great point. Now let's look at the engine monitoring. So engine monitoring is mostly located at the left side of the panel. So this aircraft use analog instrument to monitor engine health. So let's see. This is tachometer. Tachometer is for measure engine rotation speed, and this is all pressure, and this is all temperature. This for monitoring engine lubrication and cooling, and this is fuel quantity gauge, show the amount of fuel in each wind tank. All this reading must be scanned by the pilot. Any deviation must be recognized, acknowledged, and explained.
Let's start with altitude instrument. These include the altitude indicator, which show if the aircraft is climbing, descending, or banking, and also the turn coordinator, which help the pilot know if the aircraft is turning properly or slipping during a turn.
Next, we have navigation and heading instrument like the heading indicator, the magnetic compass, and VOR receiver. These are essential for navigation, especially when flying in the poor visibility. They help the pilot stay on course.
Flight instrument in this Cessna can be classified into three main types: is attitude instrument, navigation instrument, and performance instrument. This type is giving the pilot a specific information needed to safely fly in the aircraft.
Then, there are the performance instruments. This is the airspeed indicator, altimeter, and vertical speed indicator (VSI). These show how fast the aircraft is flying, how high it is, and how quickly it's climbing or descending.
Besides the main flight instrument, we also rely on engine monitoring instrument like the tachometer, which show engine RPM, the oil temperature gauge, and oil pressure gauge. This help ensure the engine is running safely during flight.
And don't forget the radio system, which is a part of the avionics suite. The com radio and are used for communication with air traffic control, while the navigation radio connect to ground-based navigation aid like VOR station. These systems are essential for situation awareness and safe navigation.
So overall, flight instruments work hand in hand with engine monitoring and communication system.
Together, they give the pilot a complete picture of how the aircraft is flying, how the engine is performing, and where the aircraft is going.
That's how we classify and use the main instrument in the Cessna 172N.
Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next flight. Bye.